Imagine your blood turning to ice, your organs shutting down, your body completely frozen solid. For most life on Earth, that's instant death. But in the freezing waters of Antarctica, there's a fish that not only survives it, it depends on it. This is the Antarctic Icefish, and it may be one of the strangest vertebrates alive. The Southern Ocean is one of the harshest environments on the planet. Temperatures drop below freezing, down to about 28 degrees Fahrenheit or -2 Celsius. That's cold enough to freeze blood, and for most animals, it does. Ice crystals form inside cells, tearing them apart from the inside, destroying tissue instantly. But the Antarctic Icefish doesn't freeze. It can't, because it has rewritten the rules of biology. Unlike almost every other vertebrate, the icefish has no hemoglobin. That's the protein in your blood that carries oxygen. It's what makes your blood red. Without it, your blood would be clear, colorless. And that's exactly what the icefish has. Transparent blood. No red, no oxygen carrying cells. At first, that sounds impossible. Oxygen is essential for survival. Without it, cells die within minutes. So, how does this fish live without the very thing most animals depend on? The answer is, it cheats. The icefish lives in water that is incredibly rich in oxygen. Cold water holds more dissolved oxygen than warm water. So, instead of using hemoglobin, it absorbs oxygen directly through its skin and through enlarged gills. Its heart is also massive, pumping blood at a much higher volume than normal fish, moving oxygen through its body faster to compensate. It's inefficient. Compared to other animals, it's actually terrible. But in Antarctica, it works, because evolution doesn't aim for perfection. It aims for survival. But surviving the cold wasn't enough, because even with oxygen solved, there's still a bigger problem: freezing. Water in Antarctica is colder than the freezing point of fish blood, which means at any moment, ice crystals could form inside the icefish's body and kill it instantly. But somehow, they don't. The icefish produces something called antifreeze proteins, special molecules that bind to ice crystals and stop them from growing. Instead of freezing solid, its body resists the formation of ice entirely. It's like having built-in antifreeze flowing through its veins. These proteins don't just slow freezing, they actively preserve it, allowing the icefish to swim in water that should kill it, water colder than its own freezing point. And that's not even the strangest part, because losing hemoglobin came with consequences. Without red blood cells, the icefish's body appears pale, almost ghost-like, sometimes even semi-transparent, blending into the icy water around it. This gives it natural camouflage. Predators struggle to see it. Prey doesn't notice it. It's almost invisible, a living ghost of the ocean. But there's a trade-off. Without hemoglobin, the icefish can't be very active. It doesn't chase prey long distances. It moves slowly, conserves energy, and relies on ambush or short bursts. It survives not by speed, but by adaptation. In the Antarctic ecosystem, everything is extreme. Predators are fast, conditions are brutal, food can be scarce, and yet, the icefish holds its place. Not as the strongest, not as the fastest, but as one of the most uniquely adapted. It shows something important about life. You don't have to be the best, you just have to fit your environment perfectly. And the icefish fits Antarctica better than almost anything else. But here's where things get interesting, because this adaptation only works in extreme cold. If temperatures rise even slightly, the icefish is in trouble. Warmer water holds less oxygen, which means the icefish's entire system starts to fail. Without enough oxygen in the water, its blood can't carry enough to survive. Its heart can't compensate forever, and its biggest advantage becomes its weakness. Climate change isn't just melting ice, it's rewriting ecosystems. And for highly specialized animals like the icefish, there's no backup plan. It can't suddenly evolve hemoglobin again. It can't move to warmer waters. It's locked into its environment, perfectly adapted, but only to one version of the world. And if that world changes, so does its fate. Still, for now, it survives, drifting through freezing water with clear blood, a massive heart, and built-in antifreeze. A creature that should not exist, yet it does. And in a place where most life would freeze in seconds, it thrives. The Antarctic icefish isn't just unusual, it's proof that life can adapt to almost anything, even a world of ice. Subscribe for more wild animals you won't believe exist.